Alright, welcome back everyone. I hope you're fine and well today. As today is the 28th of January 2024, which is Monday. So before we jump straight into the technical part of today's video, let's quickly talk about the fundamentals we have. We have few low impact data from Japan and China this morning. They came earlier this morning. And today, throughout today, the United States Bank are on holiday because today is the day that President Trump will be inaugurated and will be resuming back to the White House. If this time it's gonna stay there anyways. And secondly, I believe they're celebrating the life of Martin Luther King. Okay, and that's more like all the fundamentals we have today. We have some news coming for Canada today, Bank of Canadian Business Outlook Survey. And yes, earlier this morning we had PPI month-on-month data come for Swiss National Bank, okay, for Swiss franc, literally. And yes, it came shorter than expected. It came 0.2 shorter than expected. Now the actual is 0.0%, which is not very good for CHF, which I will be sharing with you later anyways, because I have a buy trade running on that particular pair right now. So yes, let's jump straight into the technical part of today's session anyways, because we don't really have that much of a time. So first off, DXY still looks quite bullish to me. I don't know what you are seeing on the chart, but I'm just kidding about that anyways. But you can see right here we have a very solid bullish momentum running since October. So just building up on that until there is a break below a major structure, which is at 108 right here. Okay, 10847, until we can see something that looks exactly like this, that change the structure that we have. Okay, change of structure or change of character. If anything changes this character, this bullish momentum that started October last year, which is October 2024, that is the only time I will start looking or leaning towards the bearish part of DXY. But right now, on the 4-hour time frame, on the daily time frame, DXY still looks quite bullish, as you can see right there. This is the 4-hour time frame. Okay, so I'm just gonna lean towards the bullish part of it, and I'm gonna sell euro dollar and the likes, which I'm actually selling, and seems to be going through the gutters right now. I'll be sharing that with you as we proceed, and that's more like it on DXY. So looking at these key fundamental indicators that I have right here, you can see the United States dollar right here. You can see the GDP is booming, right? You can see the CPI kind of like dropped. It also increased last week. It came higher, a little bit higher, but the PPI came shorter than expected, which is not super good. Interest rate remained the same, but from what we had in December, which is 4.5%, which is still very stable. Okay, we have the PCE came shorter than expected last week, which is not very good, and the unemployment rate is still very strong. Okay, 4.1%, which is indicating a strong labor market. NFP also came the first Friday, the second Friday of this month. NFP came very good. Okay, retail sales also kind of like still literally on a very safe zone. It's not super good, but it's not very bad itself. But we have an unchanged manufacturing PMI, which is not good. Okay, it's indicated that the